Oh, look out, y'all. We got Omar in the building, y'all. That's my boy, y'all, with that badass Mustang.
Big Beard Club, brother.
We got Yoshi, guys. That's right. Yoshi off the Super Mario Brothers. Then got a car, guys. They ain't stingy with the glue. What's up with it? All right, in the right lane, we got Waylon Pierce. Look out. What's up with it, man? Full pass on this side or what? It's running. Okay, he said it's running, y'all. They probably just put some sticky pickle under the tires, guys. If you need any glue, sticky pickle is the one to get. That thing there aggressive. He fighting. He fighting Yello Belly. He over there fighting the hood track, y'all. Don't fight it. He won the battle. Look out, look out. What's up with it, man? Alrighty, guys. We got a twin turbo F-body coming up in the left lane here at Dallas, Texas. That's right. Uh-oh. Alrighty, guys, we got Kevin M. Just came from TikTok, y'all. For the rest of the people on TikTok, if y'all want to see it in HD, you can come on over here like Kevin M. did. Mad Cow Mark, Scooter Brown. Scooter Brown. We got Scooter Brown in here, y'all. Okay. Oh snap! I got. Okay, we got Hated K3. Okay, we got this fast S10 coming over here. I know somebody gotta want to see it on. Ooh, we got the motion axles in it. He do Blake Williams. We got Tom Gunner. Tom Gunner in the building, y'all. Yes, sir. With that lookout hat on. Look out, hey. Let me see what's they getting that. It look like some sticky pickle. Uh-oh. Damn, them damn cones in the way. I'm about to. Oh, damn. Alrighty, y'all. We got this S10. Y'all think you gonna make a full pass or not? Oh, okay. For my TikTokers, they want to watch it live in HD. Y'all check out my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. We live right now. We in widescreen though. See TikTok in 720. Uh-oh. trying to tote them wheels, y'all. See, TikTok can't see the whole video, y'all. Stoney with the SS. What's up? We got Stoney with the SS in here, y'all. He ready to bet. He talking about his cash app ready. Somebody come in here and bet him so we can see if he pay. And then if he don't pay, we can just bash him. And be like, don't mess with him, block him, talk all the noise to him. Let's see. We got Rumblebee 1464. Sunfish. All the people that want to bet that's on TikTok, come over here to my YouTube channel. They betting. Ooh, they bet. We got Brian T just came from TikTok, y'all. What's up with it, Brian? Brian T. Stoner with the SS say he just got his income tax. Oh. Started in the right lane and in the left. We got GM just came from TikTok. I wonder what that GM stand for. Good morning, first thing coming. Stoner with the SA. Yeah, how you know I went to Woodrow? Oh, I was about to say, I hope that's a burnout. Oh, we got Mike G just came from TikTok, y'all. Mike G. Look out, Mike G. Cobra just came from TikTok. Oh, they coming on over today. TikTok, y'all in a good mood today, I see. I'm sure glad. Where y'all from today so I can know where all the good mood people at? I need to know where all the good mood people at. They just coming on over to my YouTube channel and making me smile and shit. Hey, y'all. Amber Adbell. Amar Adbell, okay. And Adam. We appreciate that, Adam. Both of them just came. Yeah. Okay, we got that boy Troy just came from TikTok. Dang, I got people from Jamaica, Athens, Georgia, Lubbock, Venice, Texas, Minnesota, Argentina, Albuquerque, Alabama, South Dakota, Virginia, Gainesville, North California. Daniel, hey. Tracy, stop. We got Tracy and Daniel over here. I got somebody from Alaska in here, y'all. Let me see what's coming up here. Y'all like motorcycles? Got a motorcycle coming up next. We got Florida in here, y'all. Okay.